taking pictures of her hiccup, please.
That's her hiccuping.
That was it?
Yes, that was so the people can't do anything about her hiccuping, but it's kind of funny still. So.
You won't think it's funny if she spits up.
I probably would.